I've used the quotes to tell the story of Dimensional and weave together a variety of different perspectives from around the firm. When you see it all together, it's quite powerful because we've got an incredible story, a really rich history. We've been doing this for 35 years and we've had a lot of leading thinkers contribute to this. Dimensional investing is really about two things. It's about ideas and implementation of those ideas in real-world portfolios in the context of client goals. The firm was started on this novel idea of small cap investing. David Booth actually invented the first small cap fund. But to give some context, you'd be hard-pressed to find a significant money manager today that doesn't have some variation of a small cap strategy. And the idea wasn't exactly a slam dunk at the time. David Booth, our founder and co-CEO, started the firm at the beginning of one of the worst periods for small cap investing in history. Would you have been able to keep clients? Well, David and Dimensional not only kept clients, we built the business. We weren't pushing product, we weren't selling back-tested returns or some black box approach. We were selling an investment philosophy, a set of ideas grounded in leading academic research. These ideas, broad diversification, a connection between risk and return, intuitively made sense for our clients. They understood why they were invested this way. They understood what Dimensional was doing. And as a result, they were able to stick with it. The story of our beginning is really useful for investors because it highlights investing's not always going to be an easy path. Oftentimes, the easy thing to do is to make a change, but we actually stuck to our guns. We stuck to our investment philosophy. But at the time, it was not easy, and I think that's a really important message for investors to hear because there's going to be times where investing's uncomfortable. Markets go up, they go down, they always have, they always will, and that gives us conviction in our approach and our framework for markets. Like indexing, we're not trying to outguess the markets. We're not trying to forecast the future. But we are trying to beat index funds. We are trying to beat benchmarks. We are trying to add value over other investment styles. And that's really Dimensional's expertise. Implementing these ideas in a real-world setting and managing the related trade-offs, expected returns, diversification, cost, things that can work against each other. We're picking up nickels and dimes along the way because these small differences through time can have a big impact on long-term returns. Advisors really like this approach because they understand it and they can build a client experience around that. They can also focus more of their time working with you and your goals and what really matters. So this framework for markets, this approach to investing is really unique and we feel enables a much better client experience. It's really exciting because I think a lot of investors, once they understand this approach, once they understand our framework for markets and our philosophy, they're able to have a much better investment experience.